I thought I would not like them in person, but honestly, I'm really starting to dig them. Okay, let's find out then if this SB is worth buying or perhaps just wait for a much better ones. Anyway, JRSB, it's automatic already, normal purple SB box, one pair of dope sneakers in my honest opinion, and extra laces to match the green parts of the shoe. Actually, my impression is positive already while unboxing, and it's always like that with SBs. I might be biased because I'm a Suede guy, but I'm telling you guys, the leather on this is really soft and smooth. I mean, that's the good thing about SBs. They're not the hairy kind of suede like the Mystic Red, by the way, but they are the same level of material. Only this is smoother on hand. To be honest, if you're just looking on the picture of the shoe online, they're not really appealing. I mean, that's how I felt before. But SB is SB, and from the moment you got them in person, it will slowly grow on you. Although my intuition says that somehow we still have the hangover from the royal blue reimagined Jordan 1 that flopped really hard. And somehow it affected also the deep royal SBs. Is the blue part really that loud? Well, I can't blame you guys for that because I'm also not a big fan of royal blue except paired with some cooler or yellow tones. I'm more of a UNC guy, but let's give this bad boy a chance of a lace swap. My idea is actually to make it more lighter and break the loudness, if you will, and the contrasty look of the shoe. Look at these rope laces on them. What do you guys think? But since this came with extra laces, the green ones, actually I prefer it versus the default blue. I would say let's try to put them in. Actually, the green perfectly blend on the tongue, including the side panels. Also, it helps in taming down the deep royal color, which is really an attention catcher. If I need to keep one lace only, I might go with the green, to be honest. Here's a side-by-side comparison of both laces, and let me know guys which one is your favorite. Okay, there are some minor things that I really don't like about this release, and I would say I want to change the color of stitching. I want them to blend with the sail midsole and will also look more cleaner than this contrasty blue. But what I like about this release is the leather itself. Feels premium on hand like I mentioned before, and the suede is really soft. Although I'm not a big fan of the colorway, it would still be a nice match to Seattle Seahawks colors. Unfortunately, I'm not a big fan of NFL, but I'm more of an NBA guy. But since these are green in color, I would say this would be perfect with my green cargos. If I want to pull it off, I will keep it relaxed with some hoodies or flannels, a t-shirt and a relaxed pants. Can't go wrong also with jeans, which is more classic and vintage. Since SBs are versatile sneakers, you can always pair them with any pants as long as you're confident. And if you're planning to buy this one, I would highly recommend not to buy resale or in the secondary market, because I'm pretty sure that this will sit in the US. Currently it's sitting here in Sneakers Germany, and even some skate shops are having on sale on this particular colorway and released. And since there's a new pack that's coming out, which in my opinion more cooler, I'm talking, by the way, about the coconut and burgundy SB's Love Pack that dropped on the 9th this month. I am pretty sure that the Deep Royal SB's will sit during its release in the US. Consequently, not gonna be a hard cup, although it's not loaded yet on the app. At the end of the day, it's your decision and not mine. It's your money. But I'm just here for you guys to give my honest opinion. For sizing on this SBs, I'm always true to size, and because I have a small and narrow feet. But if you're a big-footed guy, I would suggest to go half size up, because SBs have a lot of paddings, and that's why they're a little bit tight if you want to compare it to the non-SB dunks. And of course, I would always recommend this versus the other non-SB dunks because of the value for money that you're getting from the Nike SBs. Okay, I hope I managed to help you with your decision or give you some ideas on this video. I will see you next time. Peace.